Hi guys, welcome on the AllinOne channel in the new 2018. And first of all, I want to congratulate everybody with the new year, because all of the families all around the world, they celebrate this day like a magic. All of us waiting for the miracle, we're waiting for some changes, we're waiting for the new opportunities, we're waiting for the love, we're waiting for maybe some presents. You know, different kind of the people, they're waiting for the different things, but that's what I know for sure, that all of us were waiting for the changes. We want to find the new victories, we want to find more success than it was before in the last year. And I want to wish from all of my heart to all of my subscribers and all of the people who's watching this video right now, really guys, just find that what you love, find that what you love in this life and do that. Because when the person he doing that job, he doing that business, what he hate, what he don't love, it didn't bring for him any happiness, you know. And the person he just feel unhappy, he feel disappointed. And I just want all of the people who working with me, all of the people who's watching this video right now, really guys, just find that what you love. And really, AllinOne channel and me and Team Waider, of course guys, will helping you to find that way. And in this video, I want to show you the 3 best ways in the 2018 with which one you will dominate the world, you will dominate the internet, and you could make really incredible money. Really incredible, because these 3 ways will really explode the internet in the 2018. Right now guys, I will invite you to my computer to show you the 3 ways of making money online. So let's go, take a look, and just it will not take long time. Just spend your 3 or 5 minutes guys to useful information which will helping you to make incredible money. Let's go together and I will show you everything guys. Let's go. Okay friends, so we start to make the money online, we start to make the really incredible things in the 2018, because a lot of the opportunities, a lot of different kind of the ways how to start to make money online. But these 3 ways, it's really will dominate the world, because it's really powerful opportunities, legit opportunities with which one you will really make incredible money. And first of all guys, of course, it's the copy and paste. Will be the many new videos about copy and paste system. I know that most of the people, they love that, they love this copy and paste method, how to make money online, because it's simple and more instructions. You need more instructions, so I will give you more instructions about that. And if you're searching for the way how to start to make money online with the dropshipping, copy and paste, it's really the same, and you will start to make that. Just you must to keep going with the AllinOne channel. This is the first method. Amazon and eBay, AliExpress and eBay, different kind of the ways how to start to sell the items on eBay. Really guys, it really will explode the internet, because the sales is really that what we need. Make the sale, make the money, everything is simple, copy and paste business. The second way guys is the AIOP company. AIOP company, why I choose this company, I told you in the last year many times, because legit company. I know the people who's working here, the company working a long time, they have incredible products, they have incredible leadership, like Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, with his brother. They're really the #1 person in this company. They every time help that kind of the people who wants to working with them. And they're really incredible leaders, and they have the powerful products for the energy, powerful products for the losing weight. We have right now the 2 product. One of them is called Elevate, another one is called Accelerate guys. And it's really incredible products with which one you will dominate the world also, because all you need, just propose this product for your friends, for the kind of the people which you know them, which you don't know them, and share the product, share the opportunities, and start to make the incredible money. AIOP, it's really explode in the internet 2018, because a lot of the people, they go into this company, they go on because they like the product, they like the compensation plan, they see how it's powerful it is. And the Eric Kapper is the president and CEO of this company. It's really incredible person, because he really focused on the victories, he focused on the company, he every time support with everything, with the tools. We have a lot of the tools guys. And really, like I said, the AIOP, it will really help you to start to make your dreams come true. If you're searching for the incredible company where you can realize you like a person, like personally, when you can, if you're searching for the company where you can find your goals, where you can make your dreams come true, really AIOP, it's really that place where you can make your dreams come true. And really, if you visualize that what you want, you go into the AIOP, start to working with the best leaders, and just get that what you want guys. Really make your dreams with be epic, it started to be more simple than it was before. It was the second way, and the third way, guys, is the company which call it AllinOne Profits. AllinOne Profits is really incredible business tools with which one you can grow any business, any kind of the business. We have many kind of the tools how to start to grow the business. We have the autoresponder, we have the capture pages, we have the slash pages, we have the hosting, we have the everything, guys. We have all of this just by the $11.50. You will get it all of the tools and start to make really incredible business, because without the tools it's really impossible to communicate with the many people in one time. Like just imagine if it will be 100-200 people in one time, they will ask you the same question or just maybe different question in the one time. You are physically cannot make it. And AllinOne Profits is that business tools which will helping you to grow your business faster. You will make that on the autopilot, because 95% of the work will do the AllinOne Profits, will do the system. The business on the internet without the system, it's really impossible, because you are just we are just the humans, and we cannot be like a machine to every time speak and over again to explain the same information. So guys, if you want to start to make the money in the 2018 without business tools, it will be impossible, because like I said, just by personally to start communicate with all the people in one time, it's just crazy. You must have the system. You should have the system, and this system is AllinOne Profits, because by the $11.50 you will get a lot of the tools in one time. Plus AllinOne Profits also like a business, and you could find success with the AllinOne Profits. Here's also the perfect support. Every time when I ask the question, they answer to me immediately in 1-2 minutes, guys, by their time. It's really perfect opportunity, AllinOne Profits, and really this is what the people searching. The business tools, plus you could share any business. You can grow any business here. You can grow any business, network marketing, mail marketing. Maybe you have your own, like some company or something you want to sell. You can use AllinOne Profits and start to make the sales faster. You just amazing, guys. So what I want to say, guys, the 3 perfect ways about how to make money online. The first of them, it's copy and paste. The second one, be epic, and the third one, AllinOne Profits. These 3 ways how to start to make money will dominate the internet in the 2018. And if you really wants to be the best in the making money online, so you can start to make money with these companies. You can start to make with these methods, companies, I don't know, you can call them like you want, but really that ways with which one you could make that money what you want. You could find that kind of the success what you want, because here everything is possible. It's absolutely legit, and this is that which explode 2018. It was Team Waider, guys. Let's make 2018 the most powerful, successful, and the profitable year than it ever was before. Why? Because Online Channel and me, we know how to do that, and we'll bring you to success. They're really on the short way. The best way, the best road, it's right now, right here. Let's start to do that. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and be that person what you want to be. We'll see you in the tutorial really soon.
Everything we know be lost and changed for something new. Only time will tell.